Hello everybody, this is Luis Avila. I am from Los Angeles, California, raised in Long Beach, California, and I'm currently working on my work at work. This is my drafting on AutoCAD. I am showing you guys my artwork, my piecework, and if you guys have any questions, any comments, make sure you put them in the comment section. And let me know what you guys think. I am currently working for a glass design company. We specialize with bathrooms, stairs, balconies, just a luxurious material that you may want to put in your interior or exterior of your home. Now, just checking this out, I was able to complete some blueprints, and I made I believe this is an A4 layout of a blueprint. So I was on the right side, I was able to put the details and the description of how many panels and stuff like that. However, I copy paste on most of the verbiage, so as you guys can see that, but however, I have here the dimensions for the layout of what's needed. So it's a master balcony with 5 glass panels, and you guys can see the length and the width, and then I have the thickness in the description box as well. So I was just able to just play around and be able to just gain experience. I do not have an associate's degree, so I'm just very proud of myself and just able to get this work done. I have been learning off of YouTube. I also call it YouTube University or Google University, because to be honest, it's a way for you to be able to learn from others, as well as be able to utilize and express your artwork and be able to make it come to life. So I'm at my job and I showed my potential. I have a little bit of education experience, and I was able to just put that into my work job at my glass design company. So a lot of description on the 1 inch space in between the panels, because that's what's needed. Whatever my boss was able to give me the information, he would give me the information details. I was able to put it in there. There you go, to glass schedule. Everything is pretty much plain and simple. I was able to either get it from online, as well as going into AutoCAD and being able to find it in templates of this drafting layouts as well. But majority of the work, I would say about 75 to 80% of the work is mine, and as I was able to do that, it's no copyrighted work. Everything here is basically essential and mine. However, I just be able to put in the description box on the right side that all of the rights of this work was pertain towards the company as well as me. Now, if you want to go into description and you want to read anything, go ahead. You can pause it. If you want to look at the illustrations on a deeper aspect, go ahead and pause it and just post anything in the comments and the questions below. But this is my first video. Please be able to hit that like button. And that's all I have for you guys. See you at the next video.